What's going on, everybody? It's Gilberto from Credit Guys. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to open up your very own LLC or business. So if you've been looking into starting a business, maybe you're wondering how to go about it, and stay tuned in this video because we're going to be going over all those steps. I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys. Let's get into it. So how do you start your own LLC, or why would you want to start your own LLC? Well, if you're somebody who's been wanting to start your own business, maybe get incorporated for tax purposes, for business purposes, or banking purposes, then you want to start and you're actually starting to make some decent money in your business or your side hustle. You know, maybe you're making a couple thousand a month and it's on a steady track to keep growing. Well, it'd be very smart to start your own LLC and start incorporating your business bank account and hopefully start building your business credit. So what are the steps? Well, first thing you want to do is decide what kind of corporation you want to start, whether it be sole proprietor, LLC, or S Corp, C Corp, or a partnership LLC. I'm not going to get into the steps on what each of those mean, but you do want to maybe get with a tax accountant and go over all the options that are going to be right for you. Personally, the easiest thing to do is use a website called inkfile.com. Now, we're not affiliated with them, but it's literally so easy. You just go onto their website, you follow the prompts, and you'll be able to start your own corporation. Now, keep in mind, every state has its own filing fee for creating a corporation. So every state's different. Some range from $300 to $30 to $2,000. It all just depends what state you're in. Now, keep in mind, you do not have to open up your corporation or your LLC in the state that you live in, right? You have Delaware or Montana LLCs. A lot of people open up businesses over there for certain purposes. There's options when it comes to it. So after you go through the steps, if you're using inkfile.com, basically you're gonna ignore all of the prompts, right? Ignore every single offer that they give you except for paying your state filing fee. That's all you have to pay for. Even when you reach the end of the application, it's gonna ask you if you wanna expedite your application. Just hit no. You'll still get your LLC incorporated within 3 to 4 days. That's just the standard. Once you've created your LLC, what's next? Well, the next thing would be to go to the irs.gov website and create your EIN number. Your EIN number is going to be your unique identifier to your business. One of the questions it's going to ask you on the irs.gov website is, what is the reason for creating your EIN? And you can simply state for banking purposes only. So super simple. Once you have your LLC name or your business name, you go onto the irs.gov website, you create your EIN number, you put your business name in there, the address, and boom, that's it. You should get a digital copy. You want to make sure you save that, save all of your business files under a folder so you know how to easily access them when the time is needed. And after that, the next thing would be to open up a business bank account. And to open up a business bank account, you're going to need the articles of incorporation, which you will get once you create your business entity, and then your your EIN number. So once you have those two things in place, you can go ahead and open up a business checking account or a business savings account. And depending on how good your credit is, keep in mind, if you have derogatories on your credit, feel free to reach out to us. We can help you with that. But once you have that done, you can even start applying for small business credit cards. A long list of recommendations for business credit cards that you can do. So yeah, so remember, open up your business, incorporate it, open up your EIN, open up your business checking account, and that's it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It takes less than 30 minutes to do. Hopefully if you've learned something from this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.